In today's video, we're taking a look at how to clean glass bakeware easy and simple. This is so easy, anyone could do. Everything that we use on the video, we're gonna leave a link on the description. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. That does help us out a lot. Thank you. So you woke up today and you open your oven or your dishwasher, because you know that's where we put the pots and pans that we don't use. We call them the kitchen sheds. And you saw your glass bakeware and you look at it and say, it looks like you had a rough life. Don't worry, here at the StatUpBox team, we're gonna show you how to get them brand new again. And our first ingredient is baking soda. And we're gonna use 1 cup. And that's about 104 grams. And what we wanna do is create a paste slurry-like consistency. And for that, we're gonna use 1/3 of a cup of water, or about 78 grams. And depending on how many you want to clean is if you want to multiply or divide these amounts. So now that it looks like a soft toothpaste, we're ready to show the victim where the spa is located. I mean our lovely guest. We smack the victim with the slurry. I mean we gently rub the spa lotion all over our very kind paying guest. And we make sure that we don't miss any spots. Because remember, you are looking for that tip. A pro tip, using a garbage bag to protect your table is the way to go. It makes cleaning a lot easier. Now comes the hardest part of the whole video, and that is waiting. And usually with 4 to 6 hours should be enough, but we like to leave it overnight. That gives more time for the fighting action, deep tissue massage to work in. Now that you see the bakeware on the sink and it's the next day, you've just realized that the waiting part was not the hardest part of the whole video. So now, using a green scrubber or the green side of the sponge, and in extreme cases metal scrubbers, we're ready to use the same solution with the power of the scrubber to scrub it down. So this is the part of the video where you roll up your sleeves, show your muscles to the world. Don't worry about the ones laughing. Here at the StatUpBox team, we applaud your physique. Sculptured, sexy, strong, beautiful, just like you are. So basically, the solution, the baking soda, is acting like a small sander with the power of your hands. Remember to use both arms to get an even pump. And the water taking away all that grease, grime, burnt cookedness out of the bakeware. In some parts, you may have to use a little bit of strength, but also remember, you can always repeat the slurry paste consistency action again and leave it overnight a second time. But we usually notice that with 1 try is enough. Now with some soap and water, we can finish it off and dry. You can pat yourself on the back for a job well done. Once again, you did it. You showed the world that you're way more than that sculptured beauty physique. You should be getting your tip any moment now. Don't forget, if you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. That really helps. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section below. Either someone in the StatUpBox team or someone in the YouTube community can help you out with an answer. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching, and here's a link to our latest video.